Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover Monopoly Go account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Monopoly Go app, and once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you'll be getting these options. Now among the options, all you gotta do is tap on this option that says settings. Now once you tap on settings, here you'll be provided with this pop-up. Now on the support and legal, there you'll find the option that says customer service. Simply tap on that. Now once you do that, here you'll be redirected to a browser under Scopely, and here what you need to do is just simply select any of the options right here, and once you select it, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find this option that says chat with us, and once you find it, tap on it. And once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to the Scopely support with the chat with an agent. Now all you gotta do is just simply briefly explain the problem that you are facing, like recovering your Monopoly Go account, and once you do that, the agent will provide you with the specific steps that you can do in order to recover your Monopoly Go account successfully. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.